Want to know how to update your terminal in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. And once I've done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, there should be various options that are popping up. So once you're there, make sure you are logged in as well. And we have also created a video on how to download it, so make sure to watch that. Now, in order to update, here on the top, you should be seeing these three dot icons right here. That should be right beside run. Just simply select that, hit towards help. And if there are no updates showing up, here you can just simply select restart to update in order to automatically update it. So sometimes there should be showing an update available as well. So for me right now on the bottom left side, it should be saying a new update is available showing up just like this right here. So you can just simply select install now in order to install a new update. Now it will restart your entire application and it will restart with an update. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.